Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of smart home technology with Tesvor S8 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. If you have been looking for a way to keep your home clean without lifting a finger, you are in the right place. With its 3-in-1 functionality, sweeping, vacuuming and mopping, the S8 Pro ensures extremely clean home. The built-in dust box and electronically controlled water tank are easy to remove and install, offering 3 levels of water volume settings for optimal performance. So let's unbox it and see what it has to offer. The Tesvor S8 Pro comes neatly packaged with the vacuum cleaner itself. In the box you will also find an extra piece of mop and a remote control with different cleaning options and settings. It's quite convenient to use when you're not using the mobile app. There's also a cleaning tool that can be used to clean the hair and the base of the robot cleaner. It also comes with an extra pair of high efficiency filter sponge. The S8 Pro comes with 2 pairs of cleaning side brushes, which is quite convenient to replace when one pair is damaged. The brush can be attached on the base of the cleaner with ease. Next item in the box is the lifeline of the robot cleaner, which is the charging base station with charging contacts at the front which charges the device. It also comes with a power adapter. When the charging base station is connected to the power, you will see the charging indicator at the top. Tesvor has definitely put some efforts in the design of the device. At the back of the charging base station, you will find a clip that you can use to wrap the power cord based on the distance between the charging base station and the power outlet. Finally, it's time to see the cleaner in action. The S8 Pro is equipped with next level technology, starting with its incredible high suction power. This means it can handle even the toughest mess from pet hair to fine dust across surfaces up to 180 square meters, and a running cleaning time of up to 240 minutes on full charge. This cleaner is designed to clean hard to reach areas like under furniture, beds and tables. Its slim design and smart navigation allows it to glide effortlessly into tight spaces where manual cleaning is difficult, ensuring a thorough and hassle-free cleaning. This cleaner can overcome obstacles up to 20 mm, making it ideal for homes with varied floorings and rugs. Thanks to its ultrasonic carpet detection technology, the S8 Pro automatically detects carpets and adjusts its mode. In sweeping mode, it penetrates carpets with enhanced suction power. In mopping mode, it avoids carpet to keep them dry and pristine. Once the cleaning is complete, the robot returns to the docking station. After that, you can check on the app the clean surfaces with the white markings, so you can also set a zone where the robot cleaner should clean. And cleaning the dustbin is a breeze. Just pop it out and empty the trash collected from the robot cleaner. Now let's check the mopping feature of the Tesvor S8 Pro. For that, we have to first fill in the water in the water tank. So just pop it out the water tank and pour in the water. Once the water tank is filled, you can use 3 water volume settings, allowing you to customize the mopping intensity for optimal performance, whether you need light dampening for delicate floors or more water for tougher stains. These adjustable settings ensure efficient and safe cleaning for various surfaces. Now let's talk about the Tesvor app. The app puts you in complete control, so you can define specific cleaning times and areas, adjust water and suction levels, even store up to 10 maps for personalized cleaning. After finishing the device setup in the app, you can use the fast build map option to create a map of the room. The improved LiDAR navigation and SLAM algorithm allows the S8 Pro to create a precise map of your home in just few minutes. It selects most efficient cleaning path to cover 90% of your space. Once the map is built in the app, you can define some no zones or virtual walls so that the cleaner should not go to a specific area in the room, or you want to define a carpet area in the room so that it knows where not to mop. In the app, you can also define appointment settings so that the cleaner should clean the room automatically on some specific days. You can also define different cleaning modes like sweep mode, mop mode, and sweep and mop mode. You can also define cleaning times. You can define the fan speed for the sweeping, and you can also define water level for the mopping option. In the app, you can also define do not disturb timing so that the cleaner should not run for some specific times on a day. In the settings, you can also find consumable maintenance percentage so that you know which parts to replace, and also there's a remote control option in the app, and you can also define different languages for the cleanup. Overall, the Tesvor S8 Pro is an exceptional smart home device. With its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and versatile cleaning modes, it's perfect for busy professionals, pet owners, and anyone who values a clean home. If you are interested in getting one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and smart home tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.